What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to unbox vintage MRE. This is Milk Combat Individual. They're also known as Ration. They were in service from 1950s till 1980s, so they were in use for more than 20 years. So I got one that haven't been opened. It has a little bit damage right here, water damage. Probably one of the cans got busted open from who knows what. But it does not look like have any damage. So this is really old, probably more than 50 years old. Who knows how old this one is. Hopefully we can find the year it was made in. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. Beef with spice sauce, B1A unit. So this is the menu. Boom, this is accessory pack right here. We'll see what inside there. Peanut butter, little can of peanut butter, B1A unit carrier candy. Whoa, there is a little candy that is actually being canned. Never seen canned candy before. Boom, we got a little spoon. That's a tiny spoon, and look at that color, interesting. This is what probably have been busted. Yeah, you can see how it's like just overheated or something and exploded. And this is just apricot, most likely dried or jammed apricot. Who knows? We'll find out once we open it. And boom, this is empty. And we got here kind of damaged label over there, but beef with spicy sauce. We can already see what it says on it. So of course it just deteriorated because it's so old, and I can see some rust going to the can. So obviously I'm not going to eat any of that. But it's still going to be really fun to see when we open these cans and what the food looks like inside of the cans after more than 50 years. Maybe less, but I guarantee you it's probably more than 50 years by now. First of all, we got accessory pack. Let's pop this open. Boom. No way, check this out. There's Marlboro. It's all packed. By the way, people, smoking is not good for you, so please do not smoke. Boom. That's crazy. There's 4 of them. I'm pretty sure they're not good anymore and all stale. But that's a tiny pack. Can you believe it? That's before people knew that smoking was really bad for you. Then there's little matches. Check this out. Is this matches or is this little gum? Wow, look at this packaging. I love it. It says it costs 2 cents. Prices back then, huh? You can buy anything for 2 cents nowadays. Yep, this is gum for 2 cents that you could probably buy in a store. Can you believe it? It looks actually fine. 50 years later, it looks actually edible, but I don't know, I wouldn't risk it. Coffee instant right here. Bunch of napkins. Look how well it's packaged. Wow, that's a different feel of a napkin. They're a little bit more tougher. Boom, we got here sugar, salt, cream substance like a dry milk. And there you go, this is the matches. Let's see if they still works 50 years later. I don't see why wouldn't they, and they light up, no problem. Oh wow, there's toothpicks. Looks like toothpicks. Let me know if I'm wrong, but to me it looks like a toothpick. Yep, it says clean your teeth. Awesome. Okay, now the fun part. Well guys, I was expecting to find a little can opener inside there, but I did not get it. So let me go get one and open everything up. I got a couple military can openers. Those things are amazing. I'm gonna use a bigger one. And let's pop it open and release this 50 years old air. Did you hear it? It's like psh. But look how sharp it is and how easy to open this stuff with this can openers. Oh, Yeah, looks like apricot jam. It still does smell. It still does smell like apricots, but does not smell that fresh at all. It has some little bit of a stench to it, but as you can see, half a can have spilled out, and I would not eat that for sure. That looks like it's been wasted. But yeah, this is the jam that it looks like now. Okay, what about peanut butter? No, I'm gonna leave peanut butter for the last. Let's open up this beef with the spicy sauce. Is that what it is? Look how easy it is to open up those cans. That's crazy. It is very, very soft metal. Actually, look, it's just falling out. I feel like this can kind of rusted out from the inside. That's what it looks like actually. That's crazy. So do not eat that. Oh, no way. Ooh. Look at that mold. I did not expect to see that. That's insane. There is meat right there. But look at that mold. It grew all the way inside. So yeah, cans don't stay forever good. Especially if you don't store them the right way. I bet these things were sitting out in hot weather, or then cold weather and then hot weather, and it's all just rotted away. I'm glad I got napkins. I can just wipe it all off. Yeah, honestly, I did not expect to see that at all. Okay, let's see what the crackers candy looks like on the inside. I feel like sugar will make the can stay good longer. Oh, I see some kind of aluminum foil inside there. It did not look like it rusted from the inside. The can stays pretty good. You see how cool this can opener is? So easy to open it. Whoa, check this out. Looks like a brand new can to me. Let's pop this open. This thing's actually stayed really good. I bet it's still okay to eat. What is this? Candy chocolate disc, sweet milk with almonds. Wow. Can you even buy something like that right now? That honestly looks good. Let me smell it. Definitely smells a little stale, but it's bread. Bread goes stale. But let's open up this chocolate. That's so interesting. Obviously, most of you guys and me have never seen anything like that. Do they make anything like that anymore? Look at that. This is a chocolate cookie. What about this one? Smells fresh as well. Wow. Something stays good much longer than the other ones. And once again, I did not expect to see this stuff inside of a 50 years old MRE. Okay, let's see if peanut butter stayed good. That's a cute can for sure. Oh yeah, look at that peanut butter coming out. That actually looks really good. That can is kind of small, so it's kind of hard to open it. Have to hold it really awkwardly, and I have big hands, and this can opener is really tiny as well. But we're almost all the way through. There goes peanut butter. Pop this open. Wow. Honestly, that looks pretty good. It does not look horribly bad. But at the same time, I kind of see some weird stuff like little white and dark dots inside there. So I think it kind of got a little bit of a mildew. Again, I bet it would have stayed good if it was stored properly. It probably stayed too hot somewhere. So, and went really bad. Well guys, let's open up this chocolate cookie. Wow, that's really soft. I don't think chocolate went bad. It actually tastes good. But again, I wouldn't eat it at all. I spit it out. All of it. And there's sweetened crackers. Actually, they taste really salty. And they don't taste stale at all. That's insane. I think the salt and all that sugar kept them really good for a long time. But again, I wouldn't risk it. I spit it all out anyways. But anyways, really surprising to see what they got inside of a 50 years old MRE. Hopefully I can find some more vintage MREs, and if you did enjoy this kind of videos, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. If you look inside of the can, you can see some of that gold stuff. I don't know what it is. Lining on the can kind of dissolved inside of the gem.